Hello, do you know that only 7% of what you communicate to somebody is transmitted through words? 38% comes through your tone of voice, and 55% of what a person perceives about who you are or what you're saying comes through posture, through body language. And it's very important that we understand the dynamics of how to build a personal relationship quickly, easily, effectively, and positively. And one of the best ways to build up a strong professional network and a strong professional reputation is to engage in a quality manner with people. Remember the saying, people will not remember what you said or what you did. They will remember how you made them feel. And the best way you can do that is to engage on a one-on-one relationship through positive body language, positive tone of voice, and with an eye-to-eye and heart-to-heart connection. This is Diane Huth, the Accidental Career Coach. Look forward to talking to you soon with another simple secret to career success. Bye-bye.